Good. Great. Good. Ow. 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 Oh my god. What the? Well, we're back for another challenge night. This is gonna be a tough one. I am unbelievably tired. This qualifying heat they gave us, or they gave me, or gave us, whatever, is like insanely stacked. Oh god. Well, we're back. Let's try this again. Ultra tired. Insanely stacked group. We'll see how this goes. Race format, we got this interesting layout with 2 Joker laps. I don't particularly care for this layout, to be honest. At least in regular, it's like impossible to pass. Oh god. We got some people who are hitting the brakes a little hard there. It's okay. I messed up, my bad. Oh god, this thing does not want to turn. Holy moly. Yeah, it does not want to turn. Yeah, that turn right there is like impossible for this kart to make. And my brake pedal sticks. Oh my gosh, everything is coming up. Everything's coming up Justin right now. Oh, I'm a mile away from that curve. Oh goodness. This is horrible. Well, I guess we'll see how this one goes. Maybe if the grip comes up, I'll be okay. But boy, this kart is all over the place currently. It's very bad. I'm gonna need like everybody else in this race to battle. That's the only way we're gonna get some places here, because this is gonna be a tough one. Oh boy. Okay. Well, we got 6 laps left. How's my time? It's acceptable. I have all this open space. I literally cannot complain about that. This is all that I want. But the problem is, I know like Clay hasn't taken any Joker laps, and he is so far ahead of me. Oh no, he's taken one. He's taken one. Okay. But there's someone who, wait, no, someone in front of me hasn't taken any. I think that's Clay. I think I was not looking at the standings correctly. So I think I have no chance to beat him. Oh, just a mile away. A mile away. Alright, we gotta take one now. Yeah, we should take one now. We are so far behind. I hope that they have taken, some of these people have taken both. That's what I have to hope for. Well, if we gain one place, that's a miraculous victory. Because this kart stinks. I saw him coming for my bumper. We'll take one spot. Well, we're back for race 2. Got 4th in the last one. I was pretty happy about that because we're in a race full of killers. Okay, well, all right, we're just gonna start real quick then. Everybody is whacking everybody. Okay. 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 Oh, goodness. That felt good. Yeah, this is, oh god, there's my seat. Good timing. Thank you. Thank you. We're gonna take this right now. I'm gonna take it right now. Oh god. That was, okay, this is great. This is great. I want to take one early so I can get away from people. So I can just like focus on driving. If I can get my dang seat back up, if I have time to do that. Okay. I think someone took a joker back there. Okay, he did. What? Why?
2 seconds later.
Alright, well, somebody did get a new cart. So that was a thing. I was worried they were going to have us do a single file restart because we had taken our jokers. Taken one of our jokers. I know someone behind you had taken a joker too. And that usually really messes with people who have taken jokers if we have to do a single file restart. Because basically all the people, the gap is, erased. So we'll see how this goes. Oh man, this thing's back tires are cooked. They are very not grippy. I am sliding out of corners real bad. No matter how much I try to trail brake and feather it, it is not happening. So ugh. Alright, we gotta see if we can hold on, huh? I need those guys back there to fight a little bit. Ugh. I'm sliding out of so many corners. It's so bad. Yeah, I see it there, bud. Oh good, he took his joker. Haha, fantastic. You love to see it. Oh, good race, good race. Iron grip. You see that? Iron grip. Oh, God, that was so good. Well, we're back for the feature race, qualified 5th. What in the world? Fighting for my dang life out here. Even on the start, I'm fighting for my life. Had the tough qualifier, and now we're starting mid-pack. We got same course in reverse, but we got 3 joker laps. Should be good. Should be good. Let's see how this goes. Ow! Okay, all right. Well, that was good. Okay, well, good. Okay, great, good. Good, great, good. Ow, 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 ow. Oh my God. What the? I'm sorry, Clay. I don't know what just happened. It was not me. That was... God knows who was behind me. No one was braking. Okay, yep, okay, great, good. Stay there. Okay. Oh my gosh. What a nightmare of a start. Whoop. Ah! Oh my God, I was having flashbacks. I thought I was having flashbacks to this time where I got turned in that corner after I made the pass on someone. I don't know, with the way the race started, I was just expecting it. Okay, I was supposed to count how many laps we were done so that I could accurately count when I should take my jokers, because ideally I want to save them, but I have already lost count, so that is great. We're gonna have to try to look at them when we do the little center slidey bit here and try to count how many we've done. We're on lap 9. Okay, all right, we got some time. Because, I mean, I would be surprised if we didn't have a caution at some point. So, I guess we'll see. I really don't want to take one to pass this guy. Okay. Okay, good. All right, good. Good clean pass. We love to see it. You love to see it. Didn't have to use a joker to get ahead of him. You love to see it. Okay, Clay's taking one. How many? I told myself, hey, let's look at the lap counter. 5 left. Okay, we'll take one next time. So I think it might be. It's probably unlikely we're going to see some yellows now. I think everyone is sufficiently raced. Okay, there's one. Okay. Just gonna go ahead and take another one right now. Oh boy, bud. Okay. Okay, it's fine. Oh, jeez. Okay. All right, fine. Fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I got one I'm saving for the end, which I think is the next time. It might be we might have a good finish this time. I have a feeling Clay still has one left, so I think it's unlikely that we beat him. Okay, I think he's probably got one left. Let's see. But I think it's at least a podium. It's at least, oh, he had one left. Dave had one left. Whoa! Okay, top three, let's go! Good race, good race, good race.